Hello, my Obsession Ultra Compact 18. As you can see, it's got this ugly dolly. The advantage of that is I don't have to take the wheelbarrow handles on and off. You can't have the encoder cables, the encoder stalks on with the wheelbarrow handles. And then you have the shroud and the ultra, what do you call it, the altitude bearing brace goes through the shroud. You have to, it's a mess. It's a lovely telescope, the bottom's a mess. So this very ugly but very functional platform allows you to very quickly get outside, observe. You don't have to unscrew anything really. Always get the biggest telescope that'll fit through the door. So that quickly I can put the handles on, go outside, and start observing. Less than 2 minutes, and that included the introduction and the follow-up. Works nice.